Hi children, so I hope you all are doing well. Here we have yet another factorization problem which is very interesting and a bit twisted as well. First let us hold the extremes, okay, which is 7 root 2 x square and minus 4 root 2. When we multiply, okay, 7 root 2 x square multiplied by minus 4 root 2, we get minus 56 x square. Alright, how? 7 into minus 4 is 28 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 28 multiplied by 2 is 56 and we have a minus sign here. Alright, so after having got minus 56 x square, okay, we have to see that the factors of minus 56 x square must be placed in a manner that the sum of theirs should end up being minus 10x. Let me make it more clear by doing the sum. Alright, so the next step would be 7 root 2 x square minus 14x plus 4x minus 4 root 2. How? Minus 14 multiplied by plus 4 will give me minus 56 x square. Got it? But minus 14x plus 4x would also give me minus 10x. So that is very interesting. So we are not done yet. So some more step needs to be resolved. Okay. So 4 is to be written in this manner before we go on with choosing our common factors. Alright. So we can write this as 2 root 2 whole square x minus 4 root 2. Alright. So here now we are in a position to hold common. Alright. So we get root 2 here and 1x is left because 1x went there, minus 2, and here we have common root 2 here also. So, and we have 4 here, so we can take 2 also as common. Alright, inside we are left with root 2 and then 1x minus 2. So our answer is almost there, 7x, okay, plus 2 root 2. This is my first factor. The second factor is root 2x minus 2. Children, so this is our answer. I hope you have understood. So if you still have any problems, please do write to me in the comment section or ask me there. I will explain you. Thank you so much.